just because that tractor does not have a PTO brake. So every time on this baler when you want to bale grass and dump it, you have to turn the PTO off. And that's under not spinning as long as the tractor goes. That and after you dump a bale, after you wrap the bale and raise the gauge, you have to engage the PTO to take the bale out. That John Deere has got a hydraulic clutch to the PTO, whereas this tractor doesn't have. It's not a clutch, it's basically an on-off. So it's kind of rough at times. Here's it all end up sharing the pin eventually. But who knows? When you get into the season, it may end up on a board night. Just go through it. Just like on your standard, here's the process. Like on your standard round baler, any other round baler, you got that pickup that's going to feed hay up in its throat. After you wrap the bale and dump it, those floor chains are still running. You take it out. Now maybe you'll actually be able to hear me. Oh. I'm confident that I'll do more videos on this thing in the future. This was kind of just a starter baler, if you will. I baled 60-ish bales with it last year, and it did fine. I really liked it. I really like the baler. It's simple. It's cheap, dirt cheap compared to a lot of your newer ones. And if I was baling hay strictly to feed to my own cows, this would be what I would go with, most definitely. The only reason that I will probably end up trading that baler, it does not make as pretty of a bale. Most definitely does not make as pretty as a bale. And they're not quite as tight as the newer belt balers. I can get them tighter, but it wears all of those chains and sprockets out earlier, and I'd have to go a lot slower, bale a lot slower than I already am. So I will probably end up using this thing this season, and then probably going and getting another belt baler. It will be 5x5 or 5x6, the same size as this one. This one is actually closer to, if you make a full bale, or 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. They are big bales if you make a big bale. When last year I was baling 1,000-pound, 1,100-pound bales, so they're not little by any means, but I end up selling about 90% of the hay that I make. So if the customer isn't happy with it, then probably need to look into getting another baler, which I probably will eventually. But gonna try to use this one this year, so we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'll probably end up making another video or two on this thing, just basically because there's not a whole lot of these balers left. So anytime that I was having to do any research for it, there was kind of slim pickings. So if I can help somebody out, then I can help somebody out. But thanks for watching.